Why'd you stop, bro?
Well, since Mom's not here, is it okay if I be like you now?
Well, what do you mean, like me?
Well, you know, golden hair and the super strength. I want to be a Super Saiyan now.
Maybe when you're a little older. It takes years of training to become a Super Saiyan. I was twice your age before I was strong enough for Dad to teach me how to transform. Of course, I was the youngest Super Saiyan ever. You might need more time. Ah! Goten, you're a Super Saiyan! Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable!